Hey there, you are in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat on Roblox Mobile. So without further ado, let's get started. First, ensure you are eligible for voice chat. You need to be at least 18 years old and verify your age with a valid ID. Step 2, open the Roblox app and go to your settings by tapping the three dots on the bottom corner. In the settings menu, tap on privacy. Look for voice chat option. If it's available, toggle it on. If you don't see an option, it could be mean your account hasn't been verified for voice chat yet. To verify your age, return to the settings. Go to the account info and tap on verify my age. Follow the prompts to upload your ID and complete the process. Once verified, return to the privacy tab and enable voice chat. And that's it, you have successfully enabled voice chat on Roblox Mobile. I hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching and take care.